So here are the three best things about this magnetic voice recorder. Okay, first, it has an incredible amount of storage with 128 gigabytes of memory. It can store thousands of hours of recordings, making it, great for lectures, meetings, interviews, and note taking. Second, it features voice activation and AI-powered noise reduction, which helps capture clearer audio while automatically skipping long periods of silence to save battery and storage space, which is pretty cool, right? And third, the built-in magnet, the built-in magnet makes it very easy to attach to metal surfaces for hands-free recording, while the compact design makes it easy to carry in a pocket, a bag, or a briefcase. So if you guys need a simple and portable way to record meetings, lectures, interviews, or voice notes, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.